Sir, can I have you stop?
Yes, sir.
The reason I stopped you is because you were swerving. Have you been drinking?
I'm not comfortable answering that question. Now, this scenario may look confusing to you, but the answer in the state of Florida is yes, you can be charged with a DUI on a bicycle. The crime of DUI under Florida state law is very broadly applied and liberally construed. A DUI calls for someone who is driving or an actual physical control of a vehicle while under the influence of alcohol or another intoxicating substance to the extent that your normal faculties are impaired. A vehicle obviously applies to cars and trucks, but it also applies to bicycles. E-scooters. A vehicle is basically anything used to transport persons or property. So clearly, a bicycle falls squarely within that definition.
I need to ask you a few questions. I saw that you were swerving. I believe that you're intoxicated.
I'm on a sidewalk. This is not a public road or thoroughfare.
Put your kickstand down, take a step off the bike.
I know it's crazy, but you actually can be charged with a DUI on a bicycle, even on a sidewalk. In fact, the crime of DUI is so liberally construed and applied that you can be charged on a bicycle, an e-scooter, what have you, anywhere in the state of Florida. It could be a private driveway. It could be a roadway somewhere in the middle of nowhere. You could still be charged. The same rights apply to you when you're charged with a DUI in a car, on a bicycle, or a scooter, or any vehicle for that matter. And that is your Fifth Amendment right to remain silent, as well as your Sixth Amendment right to counsel, bearing in mind that you should not do any tests, including the breathalyzer, the field sobriety exercises, and you should not make any statements to law enforcement outside the presence of an attorney.